Welcome, this is Young Hero Ryan 1 here with Will You Press the Button? So, our first one is you're immortal. You can have any other powers of your choosing, but you have to kill people every week to keep them. No. Oh my gosh. Ads. You can have anything you want for an hour, but you can never access or obtain or adjust it again. No. You could be with the girl of your dreams, but she would never agree on anything with you. No. Come on, give me a good one. You have unlimited stamina, but you can only run everywhere. You could have an internal tracking device inside your brain that finds anything that you lose. Everyone knows you have this power, and every day there are people asking you to find some of their own belongings. Nah. You can make fictional characters come to life as you will, as many as you would like, as often as you would like. But they only stay for a day. They can be summoned again, but it takes 2 months before they can return. Oh well, I still press it. You found the solution for world peace, but you cannot tell anyone? Then what's the point? You can revive one dead person, but you have to choose someone else to die in their place. No. You receive $1,000 instantly, but 10 random people will have to die instantly. No. You have an unbreakable iPod with unlimited storage, but you have the full disco graphics to every artist band you hate. Nope. Fuck. Button. Oh well. You have the imagination of J.K. Rowling. No, but you're literate. You get struck by lightning and develop the most amazing superpowers. I'm talking about... But lightning strike itself. Spend a month and a half in a hospital, severe pain, and recovering before your powers develop. Well, screw it. I would do it. Oh my goodness. I am so sorry. That's better. You gain the ability to convince people of absolutely anything. But every time you lie, you become a bit more detached from reality until you become lost in your own lies. Nope. I mean, it would be nice, but... No, I wouldn't do that. You get the most beautiful voice on earth. But you become deaf. No. Press the button and you'll live on a beautiful island away from civilization. But you have to live there alone. I will not press that button. You become the greatest pirate in all the 7 seas. I do not want to be alone. Gosh. You gain the ability to turn back time, and you can only go back an hour into the past, and it can only be used once per day. But every time you use this power, the person you love most loses a month of their lifespan. However, that hour could could be used to save their life. You see, I could do that. That wouldn't be too bad, except for the fact that they lose a month of their life. I still will not do it. Oh, it's split up 50-50. Jeez. Sorry for the yawning. You can enter and exit virtual video game and movie worlds at will and have countless fun adventures. Dying in those worlds will have no consequences, but you're forced to at least spend 1 week per month in a video game or movie that you absolutely hate. And no, you can't kill the characters in those worlds. Fuck no. You can create the perfect spouse. You are both immortal and live a perfect life. But you can never see two friends of your choice again. Actually, I have two friends I wouldn't care to see again anyway. So, har. You have the best internet and computer in the world, but you have to factory restart every day, and you cannot put anything on a separate storage device. That's stupid. You are becoming incredibly sexually attracted to the opposite gender. But all things of the opposite gender are now half-human hybrids who will not ask for your consent. Yeah, I will not press that. You can kill anyone you please with no consequences, but you lose a part of yourself each time. No shit. You will find your true love, but she dumps you after 10 years and never speaks to you again. Nope. You can change your body to exactly what you want it to be, and it will stay like that. But you only get 3 chances not to stuff it up. And when you do it, you get a really bad leg cramp for 2 minutes. Fuck that. I deal with the leg cramp. You get the power to read minds. But you can't turn it off or tune out the other people's thoughts. Nope. Any one Pokemon you choose becomes real. But you do not have to have enough badges to train it. No. You get to relive your life if you die before 60. But you'd be far more ugly the second time around. No. Shut up. Stupid ads. You will have $2 million. But you have to smell socks of your dad. Smell socks of your dad for the rest of your life? No. That's dumb. You could be a beetle. But you're Ringo? Whatever, no. Huh. You can move at an incredible speed. But the faster you go, the faster your body ages. Fuck no. You gain your superpower of choice, but you live as the opposite gender for the rest of your life. Hell yeah, I would do that. I think that's all for today. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.